Okay, so question number 3, I have this lawn and flowers. So that's lawn and that's flowers. And I have a hybrid function. So this part is a parabola up to x equals 1. And this part is a straight line. And I know the gradient of this straight line is negative a half because of the negative a half there. And there's a smooth join. So I'm given my answers for A and B, but I could work them out because I know that at x equals 1, the y value of the parabola has to equal the y value of the line. And the gradient of the parabola has to equal the gradient of the line, which also happens to equal negative a half. So in my simultaneous equations, I'm going to be doing ax squared plus bx equals negative a half x plus 3 on 2 given x equals 1. So the two y values are equal to each other. The derivative of this is 2ax plus b equals negative a half given x equals 1, and solve for a and b. That there will be enough of the evidence that the examiner wants to see that you know what to set equal to each other. So we're saying at the join, it is continuous, therefore y equals y, and it's a smooth join, therefore the two gradients are equal to each other. What will that look like on the calculator? So if I jump out of here, Math 1, simultaneous equations, I've got variables a, x squared plus bx equals negative 1 divided by 2x plus 3 on 2. And all of that is given at x equals 1. And I know that 2ax plus b equals negative a half, also given x equals 1. Very quickly to type. And I'm solving that for a comma b. And fingers crossed I will get the answers, which are a equals 3, negative 3 on 2, and b equals 5 on 2. So I might grab this into a new line, Math 3, given a equals that, given b equals that, and there it is in case I need it. Okay, so part B, state F, the area of flowers, including some method steps. So flowers is in here, it's going to be the area under the red parabola from 0 to 1, plus the area under the blue parabola from 1 to 3. So for the method mark, the area will equal the integral from 1 to 2 of negative 3 on 2x squared plus 5 on 2x dx, plus the integral from, first one was 0 to 1, and then from 1 to 3 of the straight line, negative a half x plus 3 on 2 dx, and that should give me the total area. Now I'll just do it on the calculator, bring that down. I'm going to have Math 2 integral from 0 to 1 dx. That gives me 3/4. And the second bit, if I got the parabola, there is the equation there. Save me typing it again. The time it takes me to copy it, I'll probably type it again. Paste Math 2 integral from 1 to 3. And that gives me 1. And 3 on 4 plus 1 equals 7 on 4. So the answer is 7 on 4 units squared. Okay, late the lawn. Well, I know the total is a 2 by 3, so that's 6 square units in total, and I know this is 7 on 4, so if I go 6 minus 7 on 4, it's going to be 17 on 4. If I do the ratio of flowers to lawn, the ratio of flowers to lawn will be, flowers is a small one, 7 on 4 the 17 on 4. Since I want whole numbers, multiply both sides by 4. 7 to 17 will be the ratio. And that's question number 3.